If you want to remove jagged edges in Photopea, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to clean up rough edges around your objects so your cutouts look smoother and more professional. This is a really useful trick if you've removed a background, selected an object, or cut something out, and the edges look sharp, uneven, or pixelated. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy Photopea tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open your project in Photopea and make sure the layer you want to fix is selected in the Layers panel. This method works best when you already have your object separated on its own layer. Now hold down the Control key on Windows or the CMD key on Mac and click directly on the thumbnail of that layer. When you do this, Photopea will create a selection around the shape of your object. You'll see those moving dotted lines, often called marching ants, and they should appear right around the edges of your cutout. Once that selection is active, go up to the top menu and click Select, then choose Modify, and then Feather. Feathering is what helps soften the edge a little bit, which is exactly what you need when the outline looks too harsh or jagged. A small feather value is usually best here. Enter 1 pixel for smaller images, or 2 pixels if you're working with a larger image and the edges need a little more smoothing. After that, click OK. Now that the edge has been softened, the next step is to target the unwanted outer area instead of the object itself. To do that, go back to the top menu and choose Select, then click Inverse. This flips the selection, so now Photopea is selecting everything outside your object. That means when you delete, you'll be removing the rough outer pixels around the edge. With the inverse selection active, press the Delete key on your keyboard once. If the edge still looks a little rough, you can press Delete one more time, but be careful not to overdo it. The goal is just to slice away those jagged pixels and leave behind a cleaner, smoother edge. Depending on your image, this small adjustment can make a huge difference in how polished the final cutout looks. After that, you'll want to clear the selection so the marching ants disappear. Press Ctrl and D on Windows or CMD and D on Mac, and that will deselect everything. Now you can zoom in and check the result. You should notice that the jagged edges are much smoother and the object blends more naturally. If you want to make it even better, always remember that a tiny feather value is usually enough. Using too much feather can make the edge look blurry instead of clean, so it's better to start small and adjust only if needed. This is a fast, simple way to improve cutout quality in Photopea without needing advanced retouching tools. So just to recap, select the layer thumbnail with Ctrl or CMD click. Feather the selection by 1 or 2 pixels, invert the selection, delete the outer pixels, and then deselect with Ctrl or CMD plus D. That's the full process for removing jagged edges in Photopea. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photopea tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.